Gentlemen, we all love wearing casual shirts. But if the casual shirt doesn't fit you properly, you can end up looking sloppy rather than dapper. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how your casual shirt should fit. Hi, this is Swapnil and welcome back to the Classic Dandy. If you're someone who's new to the channel, do consider subscribing. Make sure that you watch this video till the end and cover all the techniques. Let's start off with what you must avoid when wearing a shirt at all costs. The worst mistake with your casual shirt or any shirt for that matter. If you wear a vest, it should never peep out. Now, wearing a vest is your personal choice. It depends on you, but flaunting it is not yours. Make sure you go for a deep neck vest so that it doesn't peep out, as it gives a very unsightly appearance. First and foremost, the length of your shirt. Casual shirt should not be as long as your dress shirt, nor should it be too short. I'm talking about something that ends mid of your crotch, something that can be tucked in. If necessary, if you're going out casually, you can keep it untucked as well. So remember, the length should be mid-crotch. Anything longer than that must be tucked in. Shoulders are probably the most important aspect of a well-fitted shirt. It can really enhance your physique. Anything that drops off your shoulder should be avoided, and it will only make you look like you're wearing someone else's shirt. The shoulder should end right at the edge of the shoulder. Whether it is casual shirt or a formal, the fit remains the same. Shorter shoulder will only make you look stuffed and will be very uncomfortable as well. Length of your sleeves. Even though you will be wearing your casual shirt with your sleeves rolled up, the shirt sleeve should always end at the first knuckle of your thumb. Anything shorter than that will be too short, and anything longer than that will look as if you have borrowed the shirt. Your cuff should be big enough to accommodate your dress swatch as well. If you want to check out my previous video on how to roll your sleeves, click here on the I button. Width of the shirt also plays a vital role. Too much width will result in ballooning of the shirt, and if it's too tight, it will either show off your belly if you have one, which is a very unsightly appearance, or it will make you look like a wannabe. So not too baggy, not too tight. Gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed the video and it added some value to your wardrobe. If it did, do make sure that you give me a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure that you click on this I button to check out my previous videos. The Classic Dandy is present on every major social networking platform, so do not forget to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook and on TikTok. Also, you can check out my reels on Instagram every single week. If you're a regular watcher of the Classic Dandy, you know it is an endeavor to make men's fashion more accessible and practical. But if you're someone who's tuned into my channel for the first time, do consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you.